Hi, if you want to set Astronomy Wallpaper on your iPhone 16e, then as a first step, you need to press and hold your current lock screen. If you got PIN code or password, you need to enter it in order to be able to add it to your lock screen. So here, click on this plus to add new wallpaper. Scroll a bit down and find Astronomy. So as you can see, we got here some options. For example, let's pick this one. Choose to allow while using app. And you can just switch between solar system, Neptune, and any planet from the list. Like this. Let's go back to solar system. And now you can also change font and color. You can change its intensity and size. We can also change color like this, but I'm gonna leave this option. Here we can tap to remove widgets or add new widgets like that. And of course we can tap here and switch from date to something else, for example fitness and so on. And now just click add and choose to either set as wallpaper, pair or customize home screen. I'm gonna select first option and this is the result. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.